Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here, and you can do so simply by purchasing the package on our website. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our amazing team, just simply scroll down now, click on that link, which will then take you to our website itself, and then that's where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. However, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see, we are trading to the downside for the third day in a row. Yesterday we formed a slight shooting star candlestick, as you can see here. Go to circle it, there we go, which is typically a bearish sign, and hence that's why I think we're trading in the red today, but we're still trading within that 1900 to 1920 supportive level. That was a previous high back in 2012. So you know, this should be a extremely supportive level, and you know, this is a move that normally happens. You know, you have when you break above a roof in the market, which was, you know, at 1900 level, you fly, and then after maybe rallying for a couple of days or maybe a week, you do normally come back and test the previous roof as the new floor in the market, and I think that's exactly what is happening here. We've tested the floor once, and you know, the bull stepped back in. That was this nice rally that we had here, and now I think we're just testing it again, but I do think that the bull will come back into this market. You know, as I mentioned last week, the best investor in the world, Warren Buffett, has added positions to gold mining companies, which relies on the price of gold. So you know, if he believes that gold is going to go up, then you know, I think that we should all follow suit. So this level here, I think this is where the bulls will then get attracted and step back into the market and push gold back up towards that $2,000 level. That's the first price target. And then after that, I think that we can then go trading up towards 2,100 and potentially even all the way up to 2,300. We had Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks in the world, who raised their price targets from 2,100 to 2,300. This is a new bull market for gold. You know, compared to the amount of money that was printed back in the 2008 and 2009 crisis, shortly after when we saw gold prices at an all-time high, which was 1900, you know, compared to how much money the Fed has printed now, you know, it's a completely different situation. The Fed has printed more money than ever, trillions of dollars. I think back in 2009 to 2010, the Fed printed roughly around $530 billion, where now they've gone over $1 trillion, even more. I don't know the precise amount, but you know, it's trillions of dollars. Therefore, this is one of the main reasons that gold will go higher. This is a very good catalyst for sending gold higher. And also, you know, unlike the 2009 recession, we don't know when this pandemic is going to come to an end. It could be for another year, it could be another 2 years, and economies are going to be very, very largely affected by this. As well as that, we don't have any vaccine news as of yet. Although news is getting promising by the month, we still don't have a vaccine. Interest rates remain to be near 0%. This is the Fed just encouraging people not to keep money in the bank and encouraging people to go out and spend money to try and bump up the economy. So that's going to be near to 0%. So these are all very good catalysts which will, you know, drive the gold markets high. As well as that, we have the US election, which is fast approaching now, with Biden expected to win. Investors do not want Biden to win because he wants to implement higher taxes. Therefore, once again, this is another catalyst which could push gold higher. I'm a buyer. I have no interest in selling as long as we're trading above the 50-day EMA, and especially the 200-day EMA. This is a very bullish precious metal that you should be buying. The RSI is healthy. We're down at 50 now, so we're nowhere near considered to be overbought or oversold. I am a buyer on the dips. You'd be a fool to sell gold. This is a new bull market, and you just do not sell bull markets. I am a buyer.